Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Dr. Maisel Ampareen Lingdo kabalong ka Menteri Kabadai Pet ya katanat Information and Public Relations habajubab ya kajingkali balawan ra do MLA ka North Shillong Constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum hapo ka ying dor bar thawan ka jilla ha kabayadai bat ka jingpenlut jong ka sarkar ha ka sisien libanai ka benta ban ai ya ki berta lani ki advertisement ki bayadai bat ki kam ki bala pendap ka sarkar ha ki kot khubor ki outdoor hoarding nagabentaw sinem arajar arpulai kalong kabamdon AA. Hagabayday bat ki promotional video hapo YouTube pan kalapoy shado ka arpu pra poin saw lak tingka. Shisho hagani ka sngi na kalyang jong ka menteri kala Pyntip ru ba Haduh arpu khandai poin saw lak tingka ladep ban Siew sa ka YouTube Google Ad account but yakini la pelot da ka tanat rekam jong ka planning ka sarkar jilla. Nakaliang jong ba Adelbert ulabu biang kejingkeli ya ka menteri halor ka jing penlut kabala penlut Haduh ubnai nok pra jong snem arajar arpuar na ka plating ka jong ka sarkar ha ka baka kong Ampareen kalaya tho ya ka jingdon ka pisan ka bentaw snem arajar arpuar arpulai kalong Haduh arpu hundreu kolor san pusan lak lai pu arajar tingka ha ka baka jing penlut ha ka sisien lai benai jong ka benta ka beningkong kalong Haduh san kolor lai pu nyolak Ndre po hajar arspa lai po lai tingka haga benta ka baar ka jing pelot kalong ndreu kolor san pu pralak ar po hajar prapu saw tingka ka jing pelot haga benta ka balai kalong san kolor lai po kundai lak lai po hajar san spa khat tingka bat ka jing pelot ka basaw hado menta kalong ar kolor sa pu kundai lak kundai po saw hajar san spa san pu tingka bat baro ki jing pelot kilong khat kundai kolor Prapusan lak kandai hajar lai spa hanyo pu kandai tingka.
Honorable Speaker Sir, reply to star question number 15A. Sir, in the last quarter of financial year 22-23, the amount spent on newspaper and outdoor hoardings nil. Promotional videos on YouTube 28.44 lakhs. B. Sir, Planning Department, Government of Meghalaya. C. No, sir. D. Sir, the funds were reappropriated. E. Sir, the payment of 29.44 lakh was made directly to YouTube Google Ad account 618-234-8095, sir.
But Adelbert, your supplementary question.
Honorable Minister, thank you for the replies. So I would like to get more clarification. Since this subject it deals with public fund through the government fund, obviously, so we want to see that funds should waste unnecessarily. So I would like to get the clarification in regards with the water. I mean, before that, that is ending December 2022. If you can provide the information.
Beg your pardon, sir. Can the question please be repeated?
Yes, you may repeat your question, please.
Honorable Minister, I may seek another clarification in regards with total amount spent from government funds in the quarters before that. That is quarter ending December 2022. Just a specific in regards to December.
So actual budget 22-23 is 26,55,332. 26 crores 55 lakhs 32,000. Expenditure first quarter 5 crores 37 lakhs 62,233. Expenditure second quarter 6 crores 58 lakhs 21,084. Expenditure third quarter 5 crores 39 lakhs 31,511. Expenditure fourth till date quarter 2 crores 49 lakhs 94,551. Total expenditure till date 19 crores 85 lakhs 9,379, sir.
Honorable Minister, thank you for the detail that you have given. The light, I need to say that, for the house. Specifically, in fact, I was asking you, only the second last ending of financial year, that is December. So, thank you for at least you elaborate the replies which give more light to the house. It is much, sir. Thank you.